Hey guys, this is Coach Butler, and this is just a small, quick tutorial about signing into Investopia. Investopia is one of the sites that you have to have in order to complete some of the things that we need to complete in our time together. And so the first thing you're going to do when you come to Investopia is investopia.com, INVESTOPEDIA.com, Investopia. It's right there on the screen. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come to investopia.com. Let's clear out that simulator piece. We're going to get to there, but we want to come to investopia.com. And then once we get there, we're going to go to my game. But I want to show you, this is the onboarding screen for Investopia. And let's go to create an account. If you don't already have one, you're going to have to create a free account. It's going to take an email, a username, whatever you want your username to be, your password, and then you'll confirm your password. And then you will, of course, hit register. And so once you get in there, you're going to take a step back. If we go back to Investopia, this will be the front dashboard or the front screen for Investopia. We're going to go to Simulator and down to My Game. Down to My Game. Then it's going to ask you, because again, you've just created your password, username, and your email. It's going to ask you for your email. Mine's is already in there, so you put yours in there. So we're trying to cut back time. And then it's going to ask you to put your password in there. Pretty quick process. And you can see the first game that comes up is Investopia Trading Game. That's not the one that we want. Our game for you guys is going to be Trade Academy Pro Youth Simulator 6. Again, Trade Academy Pro Youth Simulator 6. And your password, we sent your password to you already in your syllabus. Your password is in that email syllabus that we sent you, but your password is going to be Trade Academy Pro, all one word. Trade Academy Pro, all one word. All right. And so once we get into Trade Academy, once we get into Trade Academy Pro Simulator 6, we can have an opportunity. This is mine right now. And as you can see, I'm in Apple right now. And as of today, and let's run through some little training while we're in here, little tutorial. So, and if you click on the I information, it will show you what it means. Everyone's going to start out with $10,000. I've already invested in Apple, and this will tell you where you're standing right now. It will tell you what your stock has done for the day. It will tell you what your stock has done for the past 12 months, annual, what your buying power is. This is the money that you still have that you can use. But since I've already invested, it will also tell you the amount of cash available for making trades, which for me is $8,000 right now. If you peruse down here to the rankings, you'll see that I believe we already have 4 people that are already signed up and ready to go. Keep in mind, the 4 stocks that we're going to be trading is going to be Apple, which is AAPL, Nike, which is NKE, Netflix, which is NFLX, and also Walmart. Those are the 4 that you're going to trade and see what happens once we do trade with those stocks. So when we go to my game, here is where it gives you an opportunity to understand what the game is all about. And these are kind of the rules that this is a lab for you guys to test your theories and all in Trade Academy Pro in this simulator. All right. We're saying join the game. So we already know our game is um, Trade Academy Pro Youth Simulator 6. Go to game. And so now we are ready to trade. We are ready to trade. Let me move this stuff out of the way because I need to explain this to you here. At the bottom of the screen, like I said, this is your profile. This is where we're going to look and see where we are as far as, how much money we have to trade and everything. And again, we want to make sure we're on the right game. All right. Make sure we're on the right game. That's our portfolio. If you want to do some research on a stock, this is where you're going to do your research. So let's do some research because I'm going to invest a little bit more money. I'm going to invest a little money into Walmart today. Here's where you do your research on Walmart. And it will tell you where Walmart is today. Let's run through this. Like I told you before, the volume is the current volume of trading, the current volume of trading. In other words, today there were 5.5 million, we'll just say a little bit over 5 million trades today just in Walmart alone. So in other words, there were traders, people that either bought or sold Walmart, 5 million trades moved. That was millions of dollars that just moved in Walmart just today. This gives you your daily high. Your daily high today was 168, 875. What today's low was, which was 167.54. And then it gives you a 52-week high of 171.07. And then ask or bid, the the bid price, which is the 168.64, is the price that people who own the stock are going to be, you that are buying the stock are going to try to get it for as cheap as possible. And right now, the bid price is 168.64. Unless there gets to be a lot of people that ask for the stock, then more than likely you're going to end up buying it at the ask price. The ask price is 168.66. So even though it's 168.58 right now, which the market is closed right now, you'll probably be able to get into it for the 168.66 because again, you have an ask and bid price. That may be a little bit complicated, but just to share that with you because I want you to at least get the information. So we saw what the 52-week high, in other words, the yearly high was, and here we see what the yearly low is, 136.09. So if we were doing our research, trying to see what the trend is with Walmart to see when it goes down and when it goes up, you have what's called a day chart, a monthly chart, 3-month chart, a year chart, 5-year, and an overall chart. And you can even see when you put your precursor on here, it will tell you how much it was on a particular day. Okay. It will tell you how much it was, what it was worth on a particular day. Walmart is split several times, and we'll get into what splits are later on in our classes. All right. Just in case you wanted some more information on Walmart, you have it right here. Kind of tell you what Walmart is, its profile, tell you some of the fundamentals and all of that. That's a little bit more technical jargon than what we want to do with you, but at least you know where it's at. Then we're going to go to trade. For us, we've already done our research. We're saying, we want to buy Walmart. Right now, like I said, the market is closed. It will open in 17 hours. But we're going to go on and make a trade anyway, and it'll just sit there until the market opens at 9:30 in the morning. Okay? So we have our symbol. Again, you have buy or sell. We're going to buy. And let's do our quantity. We're going to do 10 shares. And even if you click on show max, it can show you how many shares you have with the money that you have, how many shares you can buy, but we're just buying 10. 10. And we're doing market. We're not doing a limit. We're doing market, day only. And then once we get ready to preview our order, it's going to show us what it's going to cost us. So and as I told you guys, remember the ask and bid price. So it's saying right now we could get in the stock because there are people that also want to get in it. There were people that were bidding. And so if we got into it right now, it would cost us $168.60 per share. We are doing 10 shares. We've got it set up for no commissions. Usually, depending on the brokerage, there's usually no commissions that they're asking. There are brokers that ask for a commission, and there are certain stocks that ask for commissions. But for our training, we've already taken that piece out, and then we're going to submit our order. And so you will see right here that it has a confirmation that we have a buy order. And what's going to happen is you're going to receive an email from Investopia that you made a trade for Walmart or Nike or Apple, whatever the case might be. It's going to send you that. And in the morning, it is going to what's called fill your order. It's going to fill your order. Excuse me. It's going to fill your order, and that way your trade will be out there. So I want to encourage you guys, go on and start playing with it. Go on and start investing. And when we get ready, we'll start to help you with some of the charting and things of that nature. But I want you to go on and start sign up for Investopia, start trading, use those 4 stocks that we talked about, and let's have a great time as we go deeper into Trade Academy Pro, where what beginners become winners, because if we change our thinking, we can change our minds. So thank you guys so much for being here with us. I hope that this helps you with this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can always get back with me and we can help you out with any issues you might have. Again, this is Coach Butler with Trade Academy Pro.